strange bright white light up in the sky, going pretty slow. It zooms up as far as it'll go. I've got over the roof. There it is again for a minute. It's going to go over the roof of the other house again in a few moments. Let's do it again. Here it is again. Still slowly moving. This is on a Sony 16 megapixel camera. It's not the best. It's an underwater camera at that. But it's the best I've got. And the light has disappeared, guys. It is gone. Disappeared completely. It actually vanished. It's not over the roof. It's gone. So, just letting you know. Got something strange up in the air. And I'll catch hopefully another one later.